Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to talk a little bit about Google Workflow. Now, we've talked about before how you get emails and you can click reply, and as long as you are in your particular account in both places, then it works pretty well because it will take you right there. But there's some tips and tricks we can do within Classroom itself. So of course there is the to-do list. And once you have the stream set up to tell you all details, then you can see the turned in and assigned and blah, blah, blah. But there's so many classes if I just keep scrolling down. So to me, that's a little overwhelming. A better option would be to go to the classroom that I want to see. And then I'm actually going to click on view all. When I do that, I get the same kind of view, but it's just for that one classroom. So I can see that some things have been turned in. If I hold the control key, I can open that in another window. Same here. I'm going to open that in another window. I'm going to see what my students have done, if they have turned in their work, if they've left any comments. The same over here, if there's any attachments. And I would highly recommend using personal comments because when there's attachments, see, I have to open the attachments and then I can leave private comments there. So if it's just a quick thing, a personal comment is a lot faster. Of course, if you're doing an essay, English teacher knows this, like you would want them to use the Google Doc. But these are some tips and tricks to help you get through the work a little bit faster. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching.